Looking for a replacement mirror that fits your vehicle perfectly and works just like the original? TYC replacement mirrors deliver exactly that: precision fit, reliable performance, and easy installation designed to match OE specifications down to the connectors. No guesswork, no modifications. Just plug-and-play convenience that saves you time and frustration. When I replaced the side mirror on my 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport SE, I chose a TYC mirror because it promised an exact match to the original part. The assembly came complete with the housing, glass mirror, bracket, and all the technology built right in. Installation was straightforward since the mounting provisions align perfectly, ensuring a drop-in fit. Although the package didn't include instructions, a quick search online filled in the gaps easily. The toughest part was simply putting the door panel back on. Everything else went smoothly. What sets TYC apart is the rigorous testing behind every mirror. These mirrors meet all federal SAE, DOT regulations and comply with FMVSS 111, the federal standard for door mirrors. They've been put through accelerated cycling tests and designed to reduce common issues like excessive glass vibration on rough roads. That means you get years of dependable service without constant adjustments or replacements. If you want a mirror that feels like it came straight from the factory, TYC is worth a look. It's engineered to provide optimal fit and performance for your specific vehicle, so you don't have to worry about compatibility or quality. If that's you, consider trying TYC replacement mirrors when you're ready to upgrade or fix your side mirror. The combination of OE-comparable design, thorough testing, and user-friendly installation makes it a smart choice for hassle-free repairs.